to the Provincial Youth Development Officer, Ms. Mardy May Javier, to our NIR LSG Convener, Prince Wilkins Abordo, and Negros Occidental Convener, Jonathan Aguilar, RMT, to our delegates, headed by Negros Oriental LSG and our Negros Occidental SG presidents and officers, to our Gaban Youth Lead and New Ground Events members, to our friends and partners, the Negros Women for Tomorrow Foundation, and to our hosts, Francis and Thalea, our guests and friends, good morning. I am beyond words in my happiness today. This is it. This is surreal. Pinangarap ko ito ng matagal, sa matagal na panahon. And now it comes to reality. The Negros Island Region League of Student Governments has finally come to reality. This was not the original dream, though. The original dream was to form only the Negros Occidental League of Student Governments. I will tell you more about that later. Allow me first to introduce myself. I am Kuya Dennis Caballero, now based in Toronto, Canada. It has been almost 3 years since. Going down to memory lane, this is how LSG started. In 2002, LSG was founded by then Silliman University Student Government President Leonard Tihing, now Dr. Leonard Tihing, who is based in Australia, together with Silliman Student Government Vice President Anatoly Karpov-Bas, now based in the United States, and with St. Paul University Dumaguete Student Government President Leia Janice Sikat Reyes, and Norso Student Government Vice President Harrison Alsola. Special mention also to Dr. Jenny Lind Elmaco, also former Student Government President of Silliman University, who attempted and laid down the foundation in forming LSG a year before in 2001. They are all good friends of mine. I was the LSG representative of Silliman Student Government. I remember so many beautiful memories that founding year in 2002. We had an advocacy parade for one evening in March, a lot of exchange of talents for events and shows, and visits to other campuses. To be guests to the founders' celebration, we would visit Norsu, Cosca, and the like. They would also visit us in Silliman. But Leia Sikat, she was different. Tumatambay siya bawat hapon sa Silliman Student Government Office every afternoon. She witnessed our SG work, and she even witnessed one time that one organization was speaking against our student government one afternoon over the microphone. Our circle became a bond, a friendship that would last up to today. When I graduated, we had our own lives. I worked with the United Nations, and it was a very good exposure indeed for me. But I did come to Dumaguete. I did come back home to Dumaguete after several years. Looking back at it, I don't know the exact reasons, but this was the start. I founded more organizations like Gaban Youth Lead and New Ground Events. And yes, perhaps these were also the reasons, plus my stint with the United Nations, that I was invited to be an advisor of the League of Student Governments. I became the first advisor for LSG, and there were many other advisors after me or with me, but I remained as advisor since then up to today. In these years, LSG simply is the best to be with, and the young professional that I am and the love of student leadership, I have powered my spirit to be with LSG those years. This was also the start of LSG being given an annual gigantic role for Buglasan Festival. This is the Panad Festival equivalent of Negros Occidental. LSG handled nightly events, Battle of the Bands, the Festival King and Queen, and organizing the Provincial Festival Parade. Such beautiful memories to remember. The rain, the sleepless nights, the food, and the eating together and going out. I was really with them, And you might think I was so deep dive to LSG, but trust me, my experiences were still on the surface. The LSG people, wow, they really became the best of friends. This happened annually. Because of their love for LSG, once there are memories posted and everything about LSG, they comment on Facebook because they enjoyed those years. Now, where did GYL come in? How did LSG and Gaban Youth League started working together? It came immediately after I became an advisor. But the very remarkable partnership of GYL and LSG started sometime in 2012, when the Norsu SG president and LSG president Angelo Nabalse, who was also GYL, told me, "Kuya, pwede ko bang gawing provincial-wide ang LSG?" This was the birth of the Negros Oriental League of Student Governments. From Dumaguete, it became provincial-wide. A brilliant idea. And when he convened the Negor LSG election the year after, the first Negor LSG president was also a GYL from COSCA, Jed Franz Ruedas. From then on, Negor LSG, GYL, NGE, IUF, which is my fraternity, became partners in very big events. Together with Gawad Kalinga and the 302nd Brigade of the Philippine Army, LSG with GYL started the first ever youth summit of the province, or maybe even the first youth summit of the region. Na baka sinasabi niyo ngayon, marami namang naging leadership summit, kuya. Yes, marami nga, pero ang format naman, 500 to 1,000 participants, pero nakaupo lang and one speaker in front doing all the talk. So, the usual format for some conferences and seminars. But the GYL and LSG Layat Kuto Pinoy Youth Summit brought together 1,000 participants, 1,000 facilitators, and 100 organizers to Mabini in a 3-day camp with all activities round up the clock for 3 days. The rest is history. Negor LSG continued the legacy of Buglasan, events, and the like. Made more breakthrough projects like the Peace Celebration, making the biggest human peace sign, and inviting speakers and guests like the General Ying from the 3rd Infantry Division from Capiz, the first Color Run, the first Zombie Fun Run, and so many more. And I even remembered the 2013 Palarong Pambansa in Dumaguete City. GYL and Negor LSG were inseparable. But GYL was always on the sideline. GYL was somewhat a caretaker of LSG, but it was not official. GYL somewhat bridged opportunities for LSG. Now fast forward to what happened recently, to how it came to be that we are here right now. When I left for Canada, I was so happy that GYL and NGE and all other babies of mine were doing beyond great even without me in Negros. The one thing I was not able to prepare was Negor LSG. I tried offering to former LSG presidents Hans and Allison, who are also GYLs, but they sadly declined. So I was stuck. I feared this might be the end of LSG. Sayang kasi, since 2002 pa kasi to. Until isang gabi, actual 2 a.m. na ata yun, I called Wilkins and asked her, "Can you organize this year's LSG?" This was at 2 a.m. And she said yes. Damn. Without a hesitation, Wilkins received the monumental challenge. She convened LSG after so many months of preparation, and here they are. A round of applause to the Negros Oriental League of Student Governments who are here today representing the 13 schools who registered for its comeback since the pandemic. And the Wilkins Abordo, the convener, together with GYL team, who's painstakingly prepared many months just to gather the new brand of Negor LSG. But there was one straining part. Wilkins would go back and forth to me asking about this dilemma. Do we tag and label GYL as convener of LSG? Sinabi ko sa kanya, wag Wilkes. Let GYL remain in the sideline. I felt sad. She felt uncertainty. But she was persistent but gentle. She slowly let the SGs understand. Until I agreed that, finally, officially, GYL found its niche in LSG. From now on, GYL will serve as its official caretaker, convener, and secretariat. Kami po ang inyong mga sulugoan. LSG will remain an independent and separate body and organization, and GYL will be there to be supportive of what direction you will take. Fast forward. I told Wilkins and LSG officers that it is my bold dream to finally start NEGOG LSG. Ito na. For so many years, pinangarap ko talaga na sana magkaroon ng LSG sa Negros Occidental. Biglang nag-backward si Wilkins and mga LSG officers. Sabi nila, kaya ba? Pwede next year na kuya? They thought it was so fast and so ambitious as a project. It is just me, the Kuya Dennis again, being unstoppable. Sinabi ko sa kanila na LSG NEGOC has been on the game plan ever since 2018, and it was about to be realized again with the help of the Philippine Army. Everything was ready, but then suddenly COVID came. Along the years, ang dami kong friends nag-ask, why walang League of Student Government ang Negros Occidental, kuya? Ang dami ko ring contacts and networks ng Negros Occidental willing to help me form LSG NEGOC. And this proud moment, ang dami kong friends, contacts, and network nagtatanong kung paano naging sustainable at paano tinayo ang Negros Oriental League of Student Government. These are questions across the Visayas, including Cebu. They are envious of what we have. All the more, they are envious now. NEGOR, NEGOC, Siquijor, and the Negros Island Region League of Student Governments. We are a shining example. We are the model council of student governments. They are looking up at us. Going back, I never stopped thinking about forming Negros Occidental. It was a back and forth experiment since last year until ako na ang gumawa ng aksyon. Ako na ang gumawa ng paraan. Sabi ko sa isang araw, tawagan ko nga ang PYDO ng NEGOC na si Miss Ems. Ganyan ako guys. When I focus on something, I will find ways to really make it happen. Can we thank and give a round of applause to Miss Ems, our PYDO, for making this happen. Thank you to our new NIR LSG advisor for accepting the call to be with us in sustaining this laudable endeavor. And not only did it happen, it also made NIR LSG part of the package. Wow! For NEGOC SGs, Miss M's goal is to also make you part of PYDC. So mag-usap kayo tungkol dyan in your next NEGOC LSG meeting. Si Miss M's ang magpapatawag sa inyo niyan. Also, thank you big time to GYL Negros Occidental Cluster President Jonathan Aguilar. Pinagsabay niya ito sa kanilang barangay SK. Pinagsabay niya being GYL. At pinagsabay niya ito doing the board exam review. Now he is a registered medical technologist. Wow, imagine if today we are gathered here tapos hindi siya pumasa, oh my. But si Tam yan kasi. Alien kasi yan ha. Congrats Tam, so proud of you ever since. Tam joined actually GYL since he was high school. Now he is a registered medical technologist. A round of applause once again, ladies and gentlemen. Ito pa, si Kihor. Grabe to si Ninja Wilkins. Madam, ikaw na. He found ways to gather the 4 colleges and their student governments. At sa kapalan ng mukha ko, gaya ng ginawa ko kay Miss Ems, tinawagan ko rin ang PYDO ng Secure. I learned something kasi sa isang GUL mentor natin and also our LSG advisor, si Sir Joseph Seriales. Hindi daw dapat tayo mahiya humingi ng tulong at humingi ng assistance dahil hindi naman ako humihingi para sa sarili ko at para naman ito sa ibang tao. Hindi rin ako humihingi para sa ating sarili. Para naman ito sa LSG at para sa kabataan. Kaya kung may mga projects kayo, huwag kayong mahiya, mga walang hiya. The rest is history. Well, sayang lang, Secure delegates were ready, but the weather was not good and walang biyahe. But Wilkins will cross Secure and meet them soon. Ang dami ko nang nakwento, ang dami ko nang nasabi, pero ang dami pang kwento na gusto ko sanang sabihin sa inyo. Pero I will stop here because ang kwento ninyo ay magsisimula na. Andito lang ako always and habang buhay to guide you and mentor you kahit gaano kalayo ako. Just think of this. Kung nakaya ko si Kuya Dennis na to move mountains kahit nasa malayo ako, mas kaya ninyo na andyan kayo. My story, the GUL story, and the LSG story is about leadership, without stopping to dream and without stopping to make it a reality. If there's one thing siguro na alam ng marami sa GUL about me, it is my passion at talagang sagad hanggang buto ng magbigay ng oportunidad sa mga kabataan. I may have unconventional ways, yes. They know me na nagagalit na parang dragon, but my heart remains always para sa inyo. Salamat, salamat, salamat for saying yes to this historical momentous occasion. Kwento ninyo ito. Kwento natin ito. Congratulations, Negros Occidental League of Student Governments. Congratulations, Siquijor League of Student Governments. And big congrats to Negros Oriental League of Student Governments for being an example. And the biggest congratulations goes to all of us, the Negros Island Region League of Student Governments. Kayo po ang founding members, tayo po ang founding members ng Negros Island Region Student Government of the entire Visayas. Padayon hanggang sa tagumpay, padayon habang buhay. You are blessed, be a blessing. Ito po si Kuya Dennis Caballero. Maraming salamat.